Welcome to Rock Cybersecurity, your ultimate destinations for all things personal security and cybersecurity. Whether you're concerned about protecting your digital life or want to stay informed about the latest laws implemented that will affect your cybersecurity, we've got you covered. I'm Roxana, and I'm thrilled to have you join me on this journey. My passion for cybersecurity was born out of a deep desire to help people. After spending years watching how individuals interact with technology and witnessing what they prioritize when setting up their computers, I realized there was a significant gap. A gap between what's essential and what's often overlooked. In today's hyper-connected world, it's easy to overlook the vulnerabilities that can compromise your personal security. That's why I'm here. My mission is to empower you with the knowledge and tools you need to safeguard your online presence and create a haven of security at home. Worry about cyber threats? Don't be. This channel is your go-to resource for setting up cybersecurity tools on your personal devices. From antivirus software to encrypted communication apps, we'll guide you through the process, making digital defense a breeze. Beyond just setting up security tools, we dive into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence in cybersecurity. I've seen firsthand how AI is reshaping the landscape. Learn how AI is revolutionizing threat detection, analyzing patterns, and even predicting cyber attacks before they happen. And let's not forget about the legal side of things. Navigating the complexities of cybersecurity laws can be daunting, but I'm here to break it down for you. I delve into the legal intricacies surrounding data protection, privacy regulations, and digital rights. You'll gain insight into how these laws impact you, your online activities, and your personal security. Because understanding your rights and responsibilities in the digital realm is as crucial as locking your front door. As we explore the world of personal security, cybersecurity tools, AI innovations, and the legal landscape, remember that every video, every tutorial, every insight is rooted in my genuine commitment to helping you stay safe. Join me in this empowering journey towards a more secure digital and physical world, and you will join a growing community of security-conscious individuals who are taking control of their digital lives and protecting their personal spaces. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Don't wait. Start your journey to a safer digital and physical world today. Rock Cybersecurity, empowering your security one byte at a time.